big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause for Fashion Forward, created by Dominique. We're going to bring up the creator of Fashion Forward, the designer herself. Big round of applause, big round of applause. CaribbeanStarTV.com, and we're here at Mingles at the exciting fashion show. I'm here with one of the most beautiful models. No, I can't deny this girl is beautiful. Let's find out who the sweet girl is.
My name is Drea.
Drea.
Yeah.
Okay, so Drea, you're a part of the show, right? Who how was it, and who did you represent?
I really had a great time. It was a lot of energy. I represented Vindictive Couture, a lot of designers, Marsha, Nadia, I Designs. It was really nice. I had a great time.
Okay. All right. So where in New York are you from?
From here in the Bronx.
Oh, this is a Bronx girl.
Yeah.
So I guess you have been a part of the show for a while, right?
No, actually it's my first year, but I always been to the show, but I never actually got to walk in it. So this is my first time walking in it.
Okay, so you were always one of the persons in the crowd, liking the clothes and everything.
Yeah.
Now it's your time to be a star.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I had a good time.
All right, wonderful. What's your name again?
Drea.
Drea. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Is there anything you want to say to anybody out there on Caribbean Star TV?
That Butterfly Wings Foundation is like the best foundation. Butterfly Wings Foundation fashion show sell off. It was real fun, a lot of energy, it's a good cause. Can't go wrong with that. Fun and a good cause. That's, the best combination.
Alright.
So, big up Caribbean Star TV Street.
Alright. Come on.
Once again, it's all about fashion, paparazzi.